Tesla stock is making another important bullish reaction just above a critical support level. And this is another signal that yes, Tesla has decent chances of exploding again. In fact, Tesla is on the verge of a short squeeze, and that could trigger the next bullish explosion. Allow me to explain in detail what the heck is going on here, but first welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's start our analysis looking at Tesla's daily chart over here. As we can see, the trend is clearly bullish. Yes, it is an uptrend because, again, we are still making higher highs, higher lows. We are now above the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average, which has been acting as a consistent support level 1, 2, 3, 4 times today. Therefore, yes, it is a crystal clear bull trend. Long-term speaking, I'm so sorry, mid-term speaking. What's more, mid-term speaking, the most important support level is the $240 over here, this black line. Only if Tesla loses this black line, I will be convinced that, alright guys, let's take a step back because we are not bullish anymore. If Tesla loses the 240, any possible bullish thesis will be at least momentarily ruined. Therefore, 240 is our most important support level. And this is why I'm telling you guys, Tesla is in a very good spot right now, because if it actually reverses, if Tesla actually breaks its most important resistance levels, it could easily explode to much higher levels. Therefore, since we are very close to our support level at 240, in my humble opinion, the risk-reward ratio is looking very appealing right now. This is why I believe that if Tesla actually explodes, it is going to be one of the best explosive movements seen in many, many months. So, if Tesla triggers its reversal, it is going to be phenomenal. And again, what's the trigger point of our reversal? $261.18. 261.18. If you want a specific number, here's your number for you. If Tesla actually breaks this purple line over here, it is going to not only trigger another bullish pivot point, this time above the 21 EMA, but it is going to also at the same time frustrate a possible bearish thesis on the weekly chart. Because, okay, on the weekly chart, I already told you guys, Tesla is bullish. Because, again, similar reasons seen on the daily chart, we are making higher highs, higher lows. Recently, we found a support level at the 217, the previous top level over here, and right now, we are bouncing again. Last week, Tesla made a particularly annoying bearish top signal, indicating that yes, it was losing momentum, it was losing strength, and if Tesla actually materializes a top signal in this area over here and drops to the point of losing the 217, Tesla is going to ruin the bullish thesis long-term speaking on the weekly chart. It is going to trigger a bearish pivot point over here for the first time since September 2022, in exactly 1 year. Therefore, if Tesla materializes a bearish pivot point over here, if Tesla actually triggers a top signal in this area, it is going to be very, very frustrating. Therefore, if Tesla rejects last week's candle, which was particularly annoying, Tesla is going to actually frustrate a possible bearish thesis on the weekly chart. And this is why I'm telling you guys, this would be extremely frustrating for the bears, because this is what they are waiting for, right? They want to see, if you are bearish on Tesla, this is what you want to see, right? You want to see Tesla making a lower high, lower low, bearish pivot point, because in this scenario, Tesla has no other support levels besides the $150. So you are really craving for this scenario, right? But if Tesla does the inverse, if Tesla triggers a crystal clear bullish pivot point on the daily chart, rejecting last week's candle, triggering a crystal clear bullish structure, mid-term speaking, that would be very frustrating for you, and it would be advisable to just quit, to just set a stop loss at $261 over here. Therefore, many people would probably buy around this area, because if they don't get stopped out over here, what's the next technical resistance level on Tesla stock? Is the $300 area up here. We have an open gap at 289. We have a resistance around $300. So there is plenty of room for Tesla to go up if it actually breaks the 261. This is a very dangerous key point for you if you are a bear. And if you are bullish on it, the 261 is the key point you want to see Tesla breaking. So this is what I mean with short squeeze, right? Because maybe you are gonna tell me, oh, but Nathan, the short interest in Tesla is very low, right? I don't know. I think it is less than 5%. I don't know the specific number. If you do, leave a comment. Please share your knowledge in the comment area. I guarantee to you that I'm not the smartest guy in the room over here. There are many brilliant individuals with us in the comment area over here. I can guarantee that to you. So come on, share your knowledge. Tell me, what's the short interest in Tesla stock? I really don't know, but I don't believe it is more than 5%, right? It is very low, but still, don't you agree that by breaking this area over here, the short sellers would be in a very problematic situation? It would be advisable to just get out of their positions, to just inverse and seek the $300 next, because that's Tesla's next technical target. What's more, wait, there is more. What I see over here resembles, of course, resembles, right? Maybe I'm just, maybe I am on a bad trip over here, but still, this could be a possible bullish pennant chart pattern. And again, by breaking this pennant upwards, Tesla could easily retest much higher levels, just reinforcing the bullish sentiment. Now you may say, let's say you are aware of all Tesla's indicators. Now you are going to tell me, oh, but Nathan, we are below the 50-period moving average. In fact, the 50-period moving average is acting as a resistance level for us over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, roughly 7 times today right now. So as long as we stay below the 50-period moving average, I won't be convinced that Tesla is gonna turn bullish again. Well, but my friend, that just reinforces the point that I just told you guys. The 50-period moving average is roughly around the $260 area, which is the most important resistance level on the daily chart over here. So don't you agree that by breaking this area over here, the 261, the 50-period moving average, we are gonna make an upwards breakout of a double resistance area? This just reinforces how the 260s over here is extremely important for us. If Tesla actually breaks the 260 area, I believe we are gonna trigger the next explosive movement. What's more, speaking of pennants, speaking of flag chart patterns, we have yet to hit the technical target of this bullish flag chart pattern over here. The first technical target is the $314, which, coincidence or not, was the previous top level from September last year. What a coincidence. What's more, if you project the size, the height of the pole in the direction of the breakout, we are gonna have the $414 again. So yes, in my humble opinion, Tesla is going to seek the all-time high. Long-term speaking, mid-term speaking, we have everything to retest the $300 again. Let's just see how Tesla is going to behave from here, because right now we are struggling at a support level around the 21 EMA, around the 240, our most important support level. If we do react from here and break the 260s, everything is going to change. And if you're still watching this video and you're not my subscriber, join our community, join the Finance Hydra channel, subscribe, because, well, our community is quite dope. And I believe this is the first time ever I said that word. So come on, subscribe this channel, click the like button. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much for your audience. Stay safe. Bye bye.